truck is it gonna be? Nadles. Oh my goodness. And then,
Did it go beep beep like the little blue truck?
and then what do you do with this part right here? Show me this part you were showing me. What's this part right here? What do you do with this? Ding-a-ding. Nadle ding-a-ding. No, Mom, what? Oh, are you going to open the window? I didn't know you could do that. You could do that? Do you want help getting up or you got it? Oh, you're a big boy. Look at you.
Good job, Nathaniel.
I'm kind.
You're so cute, kiddo.
Wait,
Yeah.
Yeah.
wait,
Lights are on.
yeah.
Oh, sure enough, inside right here, the lights are on, huh?
Beep.
Beep.
I love you.
Yeah.
Thanks for showing me your truck. It's really neat.
Little kiss, there, kiss, when the cold kiss.
Good job.
Dangle, yes. And then,
Oh, the engine's in there.
kiss. Hard.
Yeah.
It gets a little hot. Those are the lights, yeah.
This, yes. Hong Kong. That one. Bang.
Yeah.
Wait, this. Mommy, wait.
Look at that. What else do you want to show me? Do you want to show me the back?
Wheels.
The wheels? Sure. That's an interesting part, too.
We get door, bag, wheels,
What's back here?
back gate,
The gate, the tailgate.
back,
Yeah, right there.
this, sweater, this, gun, Tommy, there, this, Daddy, look. Mommy, look.
Oh, yeah.
Look, there's this
What is that?
string.
A stringy.
This was a great truck tour, Nathaniel. Thank you.
And then,
You sure know you need to see the engine?
You want Daddy to open the engine?
see, and then,
Oh, okay. You want Mommy to see it? Okay.
uh-huh.
Let's get it. So this is what we do, Nadel. Can you remember? First, we gotta push right here. Can you come here and help me push? Take your hand, and right here, we're gonna push right here, okay? Push, 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 push. Oh, we got it, didn't we?
Whoa! How did you do
And then
that?
we have a hook right here. Can you feel right here? Feel right here. Oh, put your hand the other way. Turn it this way, and you feel. You ever feel there's? Oh, it's not that hot. There's a hook.
Daddy, Mommy,
Mommy,
It's
look,
the
here's our
engine!
Can you show her? Here, I'll put you up here.
Mommy,
No.
Oh, you want to show Mommy?
Oh, okay. Mommy needs to come over.
okay.
look.
Come look. I'm coming to look.
Gun.
Oh my goodness! Can you tell me
Can I
about
look you up
it?
so you can show her about it?
Mommy,
Can you tell her what the parts are?
Let's call Studebaker.
It's called a Studebaker.
And then one boy,
The engine's rumbly. Okay, show me.
yes, and
Is this where it rumbles in here?
uh-huh.
Oh wow!
This hook,
Thank you for telling me all about our Studebaker truck.
hook,
Yeah.
This is a really good story, buddy. Thank you.
little button.
Yep. Boop, boop.
Boop, boop.
Boop, boop, boop.
You gonna help Daddy close it up now?
Yes.
Okay.
Help me.
All right, I'm gonna help you.
Help me.
Let's get it all closed up, right?
Come see it.
Oh, Mommy, come see it again. What am I?
There's
The doors.
Oh, do we need to close the window? Can you help me close the window? All right, let's close our window. Can you do it? I think it goes this way. Can you turn this way? Okay, you do that one. I'll do this one. All right, good deal. All right, let's close our door.
look. see Studebaker.
Yeah,
Studebaker.
I love our Studebaker.
Just turn it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the ding 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 ding.
Nathaniel, can you say thank you for taking my truck tour?
Thank you, Dad.
Please subscribe.